Our next outstanding alum is from the class of 1984, and that would be Elizabeth Hutt Pollard.
Elizabeth Hutt Pollard is the Chief Executive Officer of NewGen Technologies of San Carlos, California. NewGen is focused on developing and commercializing novel genomic sample preparation assays used by scientists and clinicians to prepare biological samples for genetics analysis. She is recognized tonight for her success in business, industry, and the life sciences. Upon graduation from Adrian High School in 1984, Elizabeth continued her education at Michigan State University, where she graduated with a bachelor degree in chemistry. She received her Master's of Science degree in Business Administration from Central Michigan University. Prior to making the decision to have a broader impact on medical research by transitioning into a career within the commercial biotechnology sector, Elizabeth was a research associate at the University of Michigan in the Department of Hematology and Oncology. Prior to joining NewGen, Elizabeth held management positions with Tripos Incorporated, a software and combinatorial chemistry leader, U.S. and European management positions with Affymetrix Incorporated, the Gene Chip Company, and spent nearly a decade in sales, marketing, and channel management within the molecular biology, human fertility, and cell culture research and production businesses at Life Technologies Incorporated. She joined NewGen in 2004, where she has provided involved leadership throughout the growth and expansion of the company, including implementation of world-class quality systems to support their research and diagnostic markets. Committed to advancing the life sciences, Elizabeth's oversight of NewGen includes the development of products that enable researchers and clinicians who seek to discover genetic signatures and predict disease risk and drug response, potentially shortening the path to treatment in important areas such as cancer. During high school, Elizabeth was active in several clubs, including the Biology Club, where she served as treasurer, the Latin Club, and Physics Freaks. She was a member of the National Honor Society and a violinist with the orchestra, where she served as treasurer for the Orchestra Council her senior year. She is passionate about public education and chairs the steering committee for the Adrian School's Educational Foundation Endowment Campaign. In addition, she has been integral in sponsoring a genomics boot camp for Adrian High students, exposing them to cutting-edge laboratory techniques and life science careers in Silicon Valley. Through NewGen, she also supports the Meritus Foundation by providing internships to underprivileged students. Elizabeth is active in Young Presidents Organization, YPO, where she has served as membership chair for the Golden Gate chapter and was recognized with an award by YPO International for outstanding leadership in membership diversity. She is married to her best friend Dennis, a pastor at Grace Covenant Church in South San Francisco.
Congratulations, Elizabeth. Please come forward and accept your award.
Wow, I'm honored and humbled to be sharing the stage tonight with so many accomplished alumni and educators. First, I would like to thank Doug Kapnick for nominating me for this award. I have had the opportunity to work alongside Doug and a group of other amazing leaders on the capital campaign for the Adrian School's Educational Foundation, where we have raised close to $2 million over 2 years to support the district. Our focus has been on supporting the arts and our International Baccalaureate program, including STEM initiatives. For those of you not familiar with STEM, it is the acronym for Science, Technology, Engineering, and Mathematics. I have had the opportunity to be part of the genomics revolution since the first tools to study DNA became available. We have seen the completion of the Human Genome Project during this time, which took over 10 years to complete, and now are able to sequence an individual's genome in one single day. This is game-changing as we work to solve the complexities of diseases such as cancer. Today, I lead a company whose products are utilized to study RNA and DNA, and as an example, have recently been used by researchers tasked with identifying the origin of the recent Ebola virus outbreak. I am happy to say this has been accomplished. My love for science started at an early age and became real for me at Adrian High School on my very first day in Dr. Joe Polland's freshman biology class. It was on that day that I grasped how science could be applied, and it forever changed my world. JP made science accessible by applying what we were learning to real-world experiences. It is this message that I would like to impart on everyone tonight. We can make a difference in our world by providing future generations with educational experiences that enable innovation in ways that we cannot even imagine in this very moment. I have been blessed immensely by the opportunity to serve Adrian, and am very grateful for this award tonight, and would ask you all to consider how you can make an impact to the future of our community through supporting our district. Thank you very much.